homebodylisha. Today we're going to talk about turning your house into a home. Okay, so if you just got your new apartment, congratulations. If you just got your new townhouse, or you are now a new homeowner, congratulations to you. So I have a few useful tips that will help bring your house into a home. So if you still have those boxes in the corner, or you're thinking about moving going into the new year, you definitely want to make sure that you pay attention to this video, because this is what's going to help bring your house to a home. First thing first is that you want to follow your own fashion sense. There is no right or wrong when it comes to decorating your house, okay? You have to identify, do you like glitzy? Do you like glammy? Do you like modern or neutral colors, which are more earth tones? So that's your matte blacks, and that's your browns, and your white shades, and your gray shades. Or do you love color? Do you like pops of color, different places? There is no right or wrong. So once you identify your sense of style, then that's when you can start decorating. And sometimes you think that it may require a lot of money just to turn your house into a home, but honestly, it does not have to require a lot of money at all. The second tip that I have for you today is to rearrange your home with using what you have. Save until you can buy the quality things or nice things that you like. You'll be surprised how much a simple spray paint with a new color, or a dust off, or simply putting a decor that you've had for a while, putting it into a different room, will make a hell of a difference. So rearrange your space is super key. You do not have to go out and buy all new items unless you choose. But if that's not your choice and you want to do this a more budget friendly, anytime you add a mirror, you can add a long mirror, you can add a round mirror. Anytime that you add a mirror to any type of space in your home, much bigger than it is, I highly suggest, maybe not in every room, but also the room that may feel the smallest, try adding a mirror on the wall, and you'll be surprised how much that opens up that space. Also, you want to declutter your home. Clutter is a no, okay? Because when you have a clutter-free home, it allows you, one, it helps your mental clarity. If you have been feeling very sometimes chaotic, or just sometimes like you have a little bit of brain fog, it could be simple. Our home is our environment. And for some of us who work from home or homeschool our children, maybe you're at home more than anywhere else. And so you want to make sure that your space is very decluttered so you can think freely, and also that helps the feng shui within your house. And sometimes we have just boxes of things. Some of us collect our paper mail, and we have papers that's just sitting in the corner. If you declutter your space, you'll be so surprised how much openness, how much fullness that will bring to a room. Clutter your space, I am very big on. I try to declutter as much as needed. I do not like clutter whatsoever. Clutter is a no, under no circumstance. Another tip is that if you do not want to have all the colors, okay, but you want your home to feel a little bit more lively, a little bit more open the windows. When there's a nice, fresh, cool breeze outside and into the winter months, this is a great time to open your windows and allow your house to breathe. Open up those crevices. You're opening up those areas that would be a lot of stuffiness into the home, and you're allowing it to, go out with some fresh air. Allow some sunlight to come in. Don't have rooms, or your living room, don't have rooms so dark if you can help it. To bring your house into a home, you also want to make sure that you have things that are sentimental or that are important to you. So I know a lot of times, I don't know if you guys remember before, when we would walk into our grandparents, we would walk into our parents' home, they would have pictures plastered all over the wall. And I mean, we have smartphones now, so we don't necessarily have to put up all these pictures. But what you can, put pictures up here and there. Your space feel extremely homey, just having things that are very sentimental or they're very important to you. Another good tip is that when it comes to making your house to a home, you want to make sure that your space is clean and organized as possible. This is also a mental health tip. I hope you guys enjoyed these simple tips, and I'll see you in the next video.